Hello, welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, November 24th, 2023. My name is Giovanni Benacourt, analyst, trader, and educator with Vantage Markets. Alrighty, so yesterday was a very quiet day. It was Thanksgiving, so there wasn't that much of fluctuation. But today, the Nasdaq is looking to push lower. I'm having my resistance, my support, sorry, at 16,000. Okay, and basically this push to the downside, or this pullback, is being sparked by Nvidia. Their shares are sliding after Nvidia said that they're delaying their Chinese chip to meet U.S. export regulations. So that is taking a hit, and obviously that's going to bring down the index. So keep that in mind. How much lower? At least 16,000 is going to be the psychological level. Just know we 35 points from there. So at least it is going to be also a short day trading today. So keep that in mind. So that's why I'm putting to a tight support. So 16,000 initially for the Nasdaq. The S&P is looking to just idle. Also here, I'm thinking that if we do happen to have some sort of a push to the upside, it can be very short med. So 45.80, revisiting Wednesday's high. So keep that in mind. And if we do happen to fluctuate to the downside, we're gonna stay within yesterday's range. The same token goes for the Dow, but the Dow is having a bit more of an upside momentum. So if that upside momentum continues, initially 35.5 is going to be where we can find that, because it's a short day for trading today. Then we have crude oil. Crude oil is also looking to sustain itself. Yesterday it fluctuated below, like towards the 75, and so let's see if that will happen today. But I don't think so. It's going to be also a short day. So at least if we do happen to fluctuate above the 10-day moving average, we could probably contemplate hitting 77-ish. So at least for now, being long or buying crude oil. Nat Gas is retreating. I'm gonna have 270 as my target. So I'm selling Nat Gas. Then we have gold. Gold is having such a hard time, staying above 2,000, or at least it's coming. At least for now, it's coming up to it. So 2,000 is going to be that target initially, and 190 is going to be that support. So let's see if that will happen. If we do happen to fluctuate above 2,000, and we see a nice momentum to the downside on the dollar index, we'll probably revisit this double top created at the early of the week on gold. Now silver, however, has opened with a gap down. Okay, this could probably be also a lot of positions being closed overnight, and because it's the weekend, and so therefore it brought that. Now, would that momentum continue as we open into the U.S. session? That could be a chance. Right now, the fluctuation to the downside has been already seen, and now we're in the recovery mode. So we could also contemplate that we could probably just here be idling, just sideways movement, a lot of choppiness in silver. Copper, also same token, a lot of choppiness in copper, looking to stay just really idling, moving sideways in copper. Bitcoin is looking to come up again to 38,000. Let's see if today it will trade above 38,000. It has been around this area a lot of times, so there's a lot of pressure, a lot of resistance around this level. So let's keep that in mind. Then the currencies, the euro is looking to stay north of 109, right? Let's see if it will fluctuate and come back at least to that high that was created on Tuesday. Then the pound is pushing higher, pushing stronger, 126.00. That could be our target for the pound, and that could happen if the dollar index continues to fluctuate to the downside. And when it comes out to 103, you most likely already have missed the trade on the currencies, because the currencies will most likely be higher if the dollar index just continues to fluctuate to the downside. So keep that in mind. Now, if it recovers and fluctuates to the upside and goes to 104, then you're gonna see a retreat on the pound and on the euro, and in a stronger continuation to the downside, perhaps on silver, indeed, and obviously a pullback on gold and copper. All right, so keep that in mind. Have a nice weekend, and I will see you guys next Monday.